Hello children, welcome to Magic Ladder. Today let us improve our knowledge about the continents. As you know, continents means large land masses on the earth. And in our previous classes, we learned that there are 7 continents in the world. On the basis of this size, we can arrange them like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. In this video, we learn mainly about 2 continents, Asia and Africa. Now we come to Asia. Asia, it is the biggest continent in the world. On the basis of the size, Asia is considered as the biggest continent in the world. It has the largest area and 1/3 of the total area of the earth covered by Asia. That is why it is considered as the biggest continent. And it is the highest populated continent. 2 most populous countries in the world are part of Asia. You know which are these 2 populous countries? Yes, India and China. And major part of Asia lies in northern hemisphere and the important parallel passes through Asia is Tropic of Cancer. Now let us learn about the boundaries of Asia. Asia is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north and Indian Ocean in the south. Which are the boundaries? In the east, Pacific Ocean. On the north side, Arctic Ocean and south, Indian Ocean. And Asia has a variety of physical features like high mountains, deep valleys, large plains and vast plateaus. Because of this variety in physical features, it is known as continent of extreme. You know, the highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, is a part of continent Asia. Like highest mountain range Himalaya is also a part of Asia. And major religions like Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism came according to size. We arranged the continents. So what is the second one? Asia, Africa. We learned the order now. So Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa has a peculiar feature, none other than any continent. That is, 3 major parallels pass through Africa. Which are the 3 major parallels? Yes, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These 3 major parallels pass through Africa. And Africa is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the east, Atlantic Ocean in the west, Mediterranean Sea in the north and Red Sea in the northeast. 3 major parallels passes through Africa. Because of these 3 parallels, what will be the climate? It is very hot. The climate of Africa is hot. And what about the physical features of Africa? There are 2 volcanic mountains, Mount Kenya and Mount Kilimanjaro are the important volcanic mountains. And world's largest desert, Sahara, longest river, Nile. These 2 are part of continent Africa. And Africa is known as Great Safari because so many people visit Africa to see wild animals roaming around their natural surroundings called National Park. Before Africa was known as dark continent, because Europeans knew very little about Africa. That's why they called Africa as dark continent. I think this class help you to get a clear idea about these two continents. Based on these classes, here are some questions we prepared. Let us discuss that questions. First one, biggest continent in the world. Option C, Asia. That is the correct answer. Then second question, which continent is known as the Great Safari? Africa, because so many tourists visits Africa to see the wild animals. Third question, longest river in the world. Correct answer, option B, Nile. Fourth question, name the parallel that passes through Asia. Correct answer, option A, Tropic of Cancer. Next question, a volcanic mountain. Among these, which is the volcanic mountain? Mount Kenya is the correct answer. It is in Africa. Asia is separated from Africa. What separates Asia and Africa? Correct answer, option B, Suez Canal. Next question, highest populated continent. Option C, Asia. Asia is the highest populated continent. Sahara Desert is in. We discussed that Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. It is a part of which continent? Africa. Correct answer is Africa. Which is known as continent of extremes. Among the options, Asia, Europe, Australia, which is known as Asia is known as the continent of extremes. Name the oceans around Asia in the east. Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean.